What's up guys, how you doing? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's tutorial is how to import LUTs into Davinci Resolve. So quick one, how to import LUTs into Davinci Resolve. This applies to all version of Davinci Resolve, whether you are using the 16, 17, 18 studio or free version. It is the same steps. Sure you get. So I will be showing you two steps now. So first step is, let's jump straight into Davinci Resolve. Let me show you the first step. And you want to go to the setting at the bottom right. So when you click the setting, this project setting dialog box pops up. Then you go to color management. Click on the color management, then the list shows, and you go to lookup table. So under the list of the lookup table, you go to open LUT folder. When you click on the open LUT folder, you see this directory pops up. So you see the directory, then this is the directory where you want to paste your LUT. You see the LUTs, and you see all the LUTs in the directory of Davinci Resolve. So quick one, let me show you the LUTs that we are going to be bringing into Davinci Resolve. So let's go and find this one LUT that I want to make appear in Davinci Resolve. So I have this LUT here called client. So what I want to do now is to command copy. So copy it, then go to the directory and go to the folder where you want the LUT to appear and say Ctrl V or Command V on a Mac, Ctrl V on a window. Paste it and go back to Davinci Resolve, and it won't show now, but you want it to show. You have to update the list. So you want to click on the list and say update list. So then you say save. So this way now you have your LUT in Davinci Resolve. So you go to the color tab and you should go find your LUT now. So under the LUT 2, you click and you see your LUT here, client. So second way to bring it in instead of going to the setting is to just come here in any folder. Let's just click on the array folder and right click and say review in Founder. So that is second step, and how to bring LUT into Davinci Resolve. Click of any folder here and right click and say find in folder. So it will take you to the first directory, and you should see the folder that we have the LUT pasted in here. So let's say we want to bring it into the array folder. Just click and say paste. So you should see it in the array folder. Let's go back to Davinci Resolve and say let's go and find it. You can see it's not showing here. So if you want to have it show, right click and say refresh. So you have your LUT inside now. So now you can start to use your LUT, and that is it. Very simple and straightforward tutorial. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Peace out.